Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. This is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. I changed it from Annabelle Olguin there for a little bit, and then I went back to the Curvy Planner because I just could not let go of that. It's me. It is what it is. But I have a little bit. I've already unboxed it. It was a package that I received from Happy Planner. It's planners, if you can see a little bit. And I wanted to share with you all my plans for, I guess you can say, the mid-year, because that's, yeah, mid-year. Exactly, basically mid-year. I'm really excited. I have done a lot of reflection and thinking of what I want to do as far as my planner setups. And I asked myself, when was it that I was the happiest and actually most productive? And it was always when I was using a Happy Planner. So I want to go back to that. And there's a layout in here that I am really excited about. I did remove the little, the little clear wrapper that's around the pages, so it's easier for us to flip through. But these are the two sticker books that I got. It's Coffee Time. I think, what is the name of this one? Pastel Poetry. And it's really cute. I won't flip through everything because I'm sure y'all have seen this being flipped through already since it's already been released. But it's really cute. I like the pastels, but I also like the neutral colors in here. So I'm really excited about that, and including the icons that are in this little sticker book. I'm so excited. I love these. These are so cute. So I'm really excited about that. I also like that now this is clear. This is the, what is it? Little Love Parenting. I am currently pregnant, gonna have my baby October 1st. At least that's my due date. He'll probably come before, we'll see. But this is what that looks like. Again, I'm not going to flip through each page because I'm sure y'all have seen this already. But it's really cute. I kind of looked through it a little bit. And I'm really excited to use this, especially when it comes to planning for when he's actually here and makes his arrival. So yeah, I'm really excited. Now, a planner that I'm pretty sure y'all are very familiar with is the vertical planner, which is the first one that I picked out. This is really cute. I love the inside cover. I'm not really sure if the covers are my style, but I wanted to pick something that I knew that I could use, and this layout is just very versatile, and I figured I could always exchange the covers and customize it, make it my own. That's the beauty of a Happy Planner, let's be honest. But this is what it looks like. I really do like all the colors in here. I like how it's very neutral, very muted, very pastel. So that's the year at a glance, and then it starts in July. So I have a couple of weeks left before I can actually use it, but I would love to set it up, get it started. And this is the vertical layout, which we already know and love. This is the layout that I actually used to love and use quite a bit when I was a Happy Planner girl. So I figured it would be really cool to use this for maybe memory keeping, or honestly, we'll see. But this is what the dividers look like. Again, I'm not going to flip through each page because I'm sure y'all have already seen this. It's a really cute planner. It is a 12-month planner. And like I said, it starts in July. So it goes from July to June of 2027. This is February. Oh, this one's cute. It has foil. That's adorable. And then we have April, May, and June. And then at the back, you always have a little note page, which I rarely ever use because it's so pretty. And I always feel well, I don't want to add something or write something that's useless. So maybe we can make this into maybe an outro page or an about me page. That would be really fun. But yeah, that's what that planner looks like, and I'm really excited about it. So we'll see how we'll use that one. But the one that I was really gravitated towards and really wanted to try is the parenting layout, and they actually have this in the customizable planners, but this is the planner that I went with just because it starts in July, and I figured it just makes the most sense so I can start mid-year. But this is what the cover looks like. It's really cute with the pink discs. I really like the inside of the cover. I don't know, there's something about me that I always love the inside of the cover more than the outside sometimes. But I like the florals. Again, it starts in July. And this is what the yearly calendar, month at a glance, or the year at a glance. And then July And then this layout is new to me. I've never used it before. So here, instead of having like the monthly overview, you just have looking back on last month. So family, friends, home, work, health, fun, and finances. And it divides it into two. And then here you have family, focus, and goals. And you have 5 little sections that you can add like different goals to or focus. So yeah, you have 3 goals and 3 focus sections. That's really cool. And then here, the layout itself. So on this side, you have the weekly section, and it divides it out into 3. If you can see, there's like dotted lines, and it has a to-do, favorite moment, and then it has on the left side, top 5, home chores to buy, due dates, meal plans, and notes. And I think this would be really useful for me, especially with all the changes that are coming up, and I need to kind of prepare myself to be a little bit more busy and chaotic realistically. And I also feel like there's not a lot, like it's not a week on 2 pages where I would feel pressured to like want to fill it out. This is just very like to the point, and I feel like there's a lot of useful things in here. But let's flip through the monthlies just so we can look at the dividers. Oh, so this one over here. Okay, so I think I flipped. Let's see. So, okay, so you do have this page right here that you can add really like something monthly or even notes. And then you have this. Where was that page that I showed you guys? Am I going crazy? Am I going a little bit crazy? Maybe a little bit. I don't know. We'll just move on. Oh, here it is. So no, it's not. Is it at the beginning of the month? It is. Okay, so it's at the beginning of the month. So this makes sense. It's really helpful to like get you started in prepping your month. And then, okay, now we can flip through the divider. So we have August, September, October, November, December. This one has like a little bit of foil. January. This one also has some foil for February. March, April. This one has some foil, some purple foil. That's fun. May. And then we have June at the end. And then we have the notes page back here. So I'm excited. This is actually very like neutral. I like that. I don't know. I may actually use this as the cover itself, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I definitely do want to make it fun and colorful for myself. Now, the other stuff that I brought out for like setting up, possibly, I don't know if I'm going to do it on this video because I don't think I have enough time to, but I brought out my note paper that I can add to the planner and all the covers that I've saved that are like my favorites. So these are maybe one of the covers that I'll use. We'll see what happens. I'm not exactly sure. Last time when I had set up a planner, it was this one right here with clear discs. And I think I still love the way this looks. I made some dividers for myself. So I think I may use these dividers still or make some different ones. But I had it divided out to goals, today, books, and finances. So in the middle, there was definitely like some my calendars. But we'll see how we set it up. I think that would be a video for another day. And I don't know, I just like want to make it cute. I want to make it colorful. I want to make it fun. I don't think I'm going to use one of these covers just because I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about using this clear cover, but we'll see. This one is frosted. I do have, let's turn it this way. This one was one of my favorites for like years. And then the other one that I was thinking of, that one's from Go Wild, is, oh, that one's really cute. I added a bunch of stickers, clearly. But where is it? I guess it's all the way in the back. It's this one. This one's one of my favorites, like top, like my number one. So I don't know, maybe we'll go into this one and use some gold discs or clear discs or something. We'll definitely decide once we set it up. I think that'll be another video. I just wanted to make something quick to kind of unbox the planners and just show you all what my plans are for July. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see y'all pretty soon for a setup video. Bye.